Why does a tiny part of me wish that this would end soon? Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to another video. And I'm not saying what I said at the beginning to be sarcastic in a way. I mean, I am happy with these models. It's just that they're really expensive. So what I have today is another one of these. I know I'm probably seeing y'all getting so sick and tired of my unboxings lately, but I ain't got any more video ideas. I really don't. And like I said, no train layout. Like I keep saying, I have no idea when I'm gonna have one. Yeah. I don't know what else to say, really. I really don't. But anyways, this just showed up today. It's by Hawthorne Village. Like you saw in the title of this video. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, I seriously hope to God that this is the final installment of what I just ordered, because like I say, it is just really expensive. Like, it's 3 separate payments of the locomotive, the tender, track, and power supply, and now the combine car that is in this thing. I've shown you all this before, and I'll show you again. Here's issue 1, which is the locomotive. Issue 2, the tender, and you'll also get the track and power supply. And now the combine car, which is what I have now. So that's all 3 units right here. I seriously hope that combine car is the last one. So yeah, as you saw in that form, that is 3 installments. It's 3 full-on separate payments of $112.30. That is really expensive. I thought that was for all 3 of the units, but no, it's not. It's literally all of them separately. So, and not to mention they're really cheaply made too. I mean, yes, they're great. They're really great, but I don't know, man. They're... What do I even say anymore? Oh, God. Oh, this keeps getting better. Enough talking. Let's just get into this. Here we go. I'm expecting to see some plastic shenanigans, not to mention plastic wheels on this thing. But let's see. Alright, here is the package in question. Now, I wonder why they put them in styrofoam boxes. Did they do that for a reason? I don't know why they wouldn't put them in like an ordinary cardboard box to protect them more, but it is what it is, I suppose. This does protect the units. They don't come shattered, then I'm happy. Alright, so I think this is all wrapped in plastic. So oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, it's coming apart. Alright, sweet. Alright, here we go. You can see a little bit of cardboard right here. There we go, it's more in focus now. This is probably not as important, but we'll look at this anyway. Alright. There we go. Ooh, I ripped the bag. Oh well. What's in here this time? I guess this is some sort of easy track assembly instructions. Okay, instructions on how to assemble easy track. Fair enough. Certificate of authenticity for the combine car. I don't know if any of you are interested in that anymore, but I'll show it anyway. God, how did I fit so much in here? Alright, super track accessory thingamajiggy, whatever you call it. This one I'm not going to reply to, because I know they're going to charge me $112 for that also. Right, and a return label. Alright. So that's all that's in here. Now, we can open all this up. I wonder why with HO stuff that you get something that looks like a toy, yet with O scale, you pretty much get what you paid for, even if it's like a Lionel starter kit, you know. But it is what it is, I suppose. Maybe I should switch to O scale. Well, something tells me I probably wouldn't want to do that, but I'd hate to sell all of my HO rolling stock and engines just to get O scale, but oh well. I'm trying my best not to cut deep because I know the thing is in here. I don't know how deep it's in here though. One more corner. There we go. Alright, and here is a shot of me putting the pocket knife away. Alright, now let's open this. Is it in here? Yep. Oh, you get a spare track. You get 2 spare tracks. Okay. Well then, here's the combine car. Oh wow, this thing's pretty light. Here it is. I have to say, it's a little bit bigger than I thought. But, not much. Is that a speaker? Well, it's obviously a molded speaker, so it's not going to do much at all, but that's new. Yeah, this thing's pretty light. Yeah, it's not too bad. I do like it, I really do, but yeah, it's pretty light. Plastic wheels. Yeah, this thing was made cheaply. Yeah. We'll have to see how it runs on the track later on, but right now, here is the 2 spare tracks that you get. I actually didn't know you get these. Yeah. The tender that came with the other track and power supply, I didn't know you actually get more spares of track. Well, at least that is somewhat something for your money, I hope. But yeah, so here's the combine car up close in detail for you, if I can get it at the right spot. Yeah, it's not a bad thing at all. The windows are blocked out, which is, I don't know if that's good or not with how much this thing costs, but I would expect an interior maybe, man. But oh well, I can live with that, I guess. I do like the nickel head thing right there. It's made of plastic, obviously, but what can you do? It's got easy made knuckle couplers, which is good. Yeah, the ends are blocked out too. Sorry if you can't see if it's out of focus, but yeah. And on the other side, it's the same thing, it's just mirrored. But yeah, here's a roof. So yeah, it's pretty basic if you ask me. I mean, with this, that's basically the only separate detail you're going to get on this thing. Other than that, I think everything is just molded. Yeah, even the steps are molded. The tank right here is molded. Same with this tank. I actually don't know what these two are called. I'm sure someone will let me know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But other than that, it's not a bad looking car at all. And I'm not saying that just to be, you know, sarcastic. I really, really do like this thing. I just don't like how sort of basic it is, you know? I mean, I'm more than happy to keep it, definitely. But still, dude, I would love to see some interior. Hell, I would love to see some metal wheels. And if it's even possible, some more separately fitted detail, like some grab irons on the doors maybe. Hell, maybe if this one even opens. Who knows? I just would love to see some more detail, you know? But other than that, it's not a bad combine car. I mean, like I said, it's cheap, yeah, but still though. Alright, I might get the camera set up and we'll see how this thing runs around behind the engine and tender that I got previously. Right, I'm back, and the track is now laid on the floor again. along with the controller and the power supply. I didn't do it again this time because I did it in a previous video, so you won't have to see me do it again. Anyways, I forgot to get the combine car down. Here it is. I'll just move the locomotive forward. And I would assume it goes this way. There we go. And it's on. Well, at least it's pretty freewheeling. I'll say that. Alright. And it couples up pretty good. It's good to see. Alright, well, I'll send it around a couple laps and we will see, or we will get some angles. By the way, I did forget to mention, I did not apply the 2 extra straights because I don't have the space on this little spot. So yeah. So that concludes the unboxing for, I hope, the final product of this series, of the Spirit of the West nickel coin, or whatever it's called. But yeah, I just hope this is the final installment. Like I said, I am happy with it, but it's just so cheaply made. Ugh. But what can you do? You know, I could always send it back if I'm not happy with it, but kind of don't want to do that right now. We'll see how it goes. It is a full 365-day money-back guarantee, although since I mentioned that, one of you will post in the comments say no it's not. But I'll keep an eye out for that comment if that ever pops up. Or at least I hope it'll be more than one comment. I don't want just one comment saying that, because if it's one comment, I won't believe it until more and more comments popped in saying that it's not a full 365-day money-back guarantee, but we'll see. So if you liked this video, I do hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. If you liked this video, please give it a like. You can hit the subscribe button on the screen that's up on your screen right now. And you can watch a previous video that's on your screen right now. Alright, I will see you guys next time. By the way, hit the notification bell. I almost forgot that.